Hi guys, how are you all doing today? You're welcome back to my channel, Jennifer Chris, and if you're new here, you're highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of my skincare products that I just got and some body care products as well. So let's dive right into today's video. The first on my list is this Neutrogena Skin Detox Triple Micellar Water. I don't know why, I just saw this and I'm like, you know what, I want to try it out. I just want to see how it is, and here we are. So this is it. This is the Neutrogena Skin Detox. I'm going to be using this and coming back with the review, so stick to this channel if you want to know what this micellar water does and if it's good for the body. Okay, the next one on my list is this simple glow facial wash. This is it. I don't know if you can see this very well. Yeah, so this is the smooth and radiant skin with vitamin C plus some other antioxidants and natural clay. It protects and glow your skin. This particular one is for dull skin, so if you have a dull skin, you might as well want to get this one. So I haven't used this is new. I'll be coming back with a review on this, so stick to this channel if you've not subscribed. Okay, so the next on my list is this simple micellar water. I'm sure by now you'll be asking, what's up with you and micellar water? Yeah, you know, first off, once you're doing your skincare, double cleansing is a must. I like to do my double cleansing with micellar water first, and then I go in with a simple facial wash. Okay, so yeah, of course, why not? I have Nivea micellar water and I've got Neutrogena micellar water, and now this is the simple micellar water. As you can see, I've started using this, like this. See where it is now? It's very little. Okay, I'm going to come back with a review on this one as well. So the next on my list is this Dove body wash. This is the caring bath with almond cream and hibiscus. Okay, so this one, oh my god, I've heard a lot about Dove body washes. I have never used any Dove body wash before, so I decided to get this to give it a trial. All right, so I'm going to be coming back with a review about this for sure. So the next on my list is this Vaseline even tone with vitamin B3 and SPF 10. This is new as well. I just got this. I've heard a lot of reviews about this particular body lotion. It's quite affordable, so I decided to get it, use it, and come back with a review for you guys. Next on my list are these two retinol packs. So when I started my skincare, I also decided to incorporate retinol in my nighttime routine. As you can see, this is the 0.5. I have started using 0.25. I'm like halfway into it, but I decided to get this one because I don't want to hear that it's scarce in the market. There was a time this particular retinol was scarce in the market, and when it came back really expensive. I don't want to hear that at all, so I decided to stock up on it. All right, so I'm definitely coming back with a review on this as well, so stay tuned. All right, so the next on my list would be facial sheet mask. I've got a couple of them, like I got a lot. Why? Because I'm really going strong on moisturizers. Okay, because like I said before, I have a dry skin, so I'm definitely tilting towards moisturizers upon moisturizers upon moisturizers. I can never get tired of moisturizing my skin. Thank God for this particular knowledge I have now. Before now, I would just be like, what's up, why would I moisturize my skin? Okay, so because of that, I've gone ahead to get a lot of facial masks. This one is the hemp oil. I got two. This one is the retinol sweet peach facial mask. I got one. And then I got the hyaluronic facial mask as well. This is my receipt. Then I got the charcoal facial mask. I've got cucumber facial mask. I've got vitamin C facial mask. I've got aloe vera facial mask. I've got collagen facial mask and niacinamide as well. So as you can see, I've got a lot of them. A lot. So yeah, I'm really serious on taking my skincare journey to the next level. I'm serious about that. So yeah, why not? I'll be showing you how to use this. That's if I haven't. I'll be showing you guys how to use this. Okay, so the next on my list is where is my Zaron? I also got a Zaron brush. That's the foundation brush for myself. You guys, this thing is entering my eyes. Let me even use it and see what it looks like. Oh wow, it has a running consistency. Can you see? I can't wait to use this cream because I've heard a lot about it. I've heard a lot about it. I can't wait to use it. Let's see. Oh my god, I've heard a lot about it. I can't wait to try it. Okay. Smells nice. Smells like regular body lotion. Nothing spectacular about the smell. Alright, so the next on my list would be my, hey god, you guys, my perfume. This perfume, I decided to get this one because there was a time it was very scarce in the market. I don't know what happened to this, and then we now start hearing that, oh, they are fake in the market right now, and I'm like, what? Perfume too? Hey, there's nothing this our bad brothers and sisters will not do. Anyway, so I decided to get this. I still have one more that I've not, it has not even gotten up to half. I'm still using one more, but I decided to get this one because I don't want to hear that it's scarce in the market. I don't want to hear. Okay, so if you are doing skincare, nothing stops you from smelling good as well. So all right, so the next on my list would be this one. Guys, I'm so excited about this one. I haven't tried this particular perfume before. I just walked into a supermarket. I saw it, and then I tried the tester and it was lovely. So when I put it on my shirt, I waited till the next day to see how long it lasts, and you guys, till the next evening it was still really potent. Like the fragrance was very strong on my shirt, and then I decided to go back to get it. So let me see, let me show you guys. I am so excited about this one. You see this one? I'm so excited about it. So excited, so excited. Congratulations on your purchase of one of the best perfumes money can buy. Thank you for being Louis Cardin's valuable customer. Now, I don't know if I pronounced that name very well, but that is what I can see, and that's the best I can do for now. Alright, let's do this. Oh my god. This perfume is one after my heart. It is beautiful, you guys, and it smells really nice. Oh my god, this is good. Oh, it smells heavenly. Oh, it smells heavenly, you guys. This should be one of my best purchase so far this week. Like this one, I was really excited when I got this, and I love it. I love it, you guys. Are you sure I'll not go and pack everything from that store? Because I don't want to hear that, oh my god, it's scarce, it's scarce. Am I the only one that hates when I'm really into a particular product, and then when I'm going to restock, I hear that it's scarce? Like, why? The producers, are you people, don't you like money? Produce more now so we can buy. And then this should be like my second best purchase for this week. This Simple Glow facial wash. I got this one, not like I really heard reviews about this one though, but I got it because I saw that it is for dull skin. and that's one of my skin concerns that I'm treating for now. So I decided to buy it because I want this radiant look, of course. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to use this and get back to you guys to know and to see if it actually does give me a radiant and smooth skin. So guys, I also got this body lotion. This is the Nivea Radiance and Beauty Even Glow. I decided to get this because I've heard a lot of good reviews about this. I decided to get it. I am currently using one. It's in my shelf for now, but I decided to stock up on this because, as usual, like I always say, I don't want to hear it's scarce and it's sold out or blah blah blah. So I decided to, buy this one. I will come with a comprehensive review about this product. Okay, so stick to this channel. Thank you guys. But yeah, this is what I got this week, and these are the additional products that I'm going to be adding to my skincare. I am so excited to be trying these new products because why not? Okay guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.